Repair nerve damage fast with these vitamins. Struggling with nerve damage? Discover the top vitamins that can help repair and rejuvenate your nerves. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining nerve health and function, providing relief and promoting recovery from nerve-related issues. Nerve health is essential for overall well-being and daily functioning. Vitamins can significantly aid in nerve repair by supporting cellular processes, enhancing nerve regeneration, and reducing inflammation. Incorporating the right vitamins into your diet can make a significant difference. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is vital for nerve function. It helps convert nutrients into energy, ensuring proper nerve signaling. Rich sources of thiamine include whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, making it easy to incorporate into your meals. Vitamin B6, or pyridoxine, is crucial for neurotransmitter synthesis and nerve function. It helps maintain healthy nerve cells and supports overall brain health. You can find vitamin B6 in foods like poultry, fish, potatoes, and bananas, which are easily accessible. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is essential for nerve repair and myelin sheath maintenance. This vitamin helps prevent nerve damage and supports overall neurological health. Dietary sources include meat, dairy products, and fortified cereals, crucial for maintaining adequate B12 levels. Vitamin D is crucial for nerve health, supporting the growth and function of nerve cells. It can be obtained from sunlight exposure, fatty fish, and fortified foods. Ensuring adequate vitamin D levels can help maintain and repair nerve function. Vitamin E, known for its potent antioxidant properties, protects nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals. Found in nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, this vitamin helps to maintain nerve integrity and support overall neurological health. Vitamin C plays a significant role in collagen production, essential for the structural integrity of nerves. Citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers are excellent sources. By supporting collagen synthesis, vitamin C aids in the repair and regeneration of nerve tissues. Vitamin B7, or biotin, is vital for nerve health, as it supports the myelin sheath that covers and protects nerve fibers. Eggs, nuts, and whole grains are good sources. Adequate biotin intake helps ensure optimal nerve function and repair. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin, promotes healthy nerve function by aiding in energy production and improving blood flow. Meats, fish, and whole grains provide niacin. Regular consumption can help nourish and repair nerve cells, enhancing overall nerve health. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in maintaining nerve function, aiding in the repair and regeneration of nerve cells. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, as well as broccoli and Brussels sprouts, are excellent sources of this vital nutrient. Additional nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids are essential for nerve health. These fats help reduce inflammation and support the structure of nerve cells. You can find them in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, which are easy to incorporate into your diet. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in vitamins and nutrients is key for optimal nerve health. Focus on consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. This approach ensures you get the necessary nutrients to support your nerves. Sometimes, it can be challenging to get all the necessary vitamins from food alone. In such cases, supplements can be a helpful addition. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure safety. Regular physical activity is beneficial for nerve health as it promotes blood flow and reduces inflammation. Engaging in exercises like walking, swimming, or yoga can help maintain nerve function and overall well-being, making it easier to manage nerve-related issues. Physical activity plays a crucial role in maintaining nerve health. Regular exercise enhances blood flow, promotes the release of growth factors, and reduces inflammation. Incorporating activities like walking, swimming, or yoga can significantly contribute to nerve repair and overall well-being. Managing stress effectively is vital for nerve health. Chronic stress can exacerbate nerve damage and hinder repair processes. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness can help reduce stress levels, providing a more conducive environment for nerve healing. Adequate sleep is essential for nerve repair and overall health. During sleep, the body undergoes processes that restore and rejuvenate nerve cells. Prioritizing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a restful environment can significantly enhance nerve recovery and function. Staying hydrated is fundamental for optimal nerve function. Water aids in the transmission of electrical signals and nutrient transport to nerve cells. Consuming sufficient fluids daily supports overall nerve health and ensures proper cellular function and repair processes. Recapping the top 10 vitamins, we see their crucial roles in nerve health and repair. Implementing a balanced diet, regular physical activity, effective stress management, adequate sleep, and proper hydration forms a holistic approach to supporting and rejuvenating nerve health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends and family. Your support helps us create more content to empower your health journey. By subscribing, you ensure you won't miss any of our health tips, nutritional advice, and wellness strategies that can make a significant difference in your life. Stay connected with us for the latest updates and expert insights. Remember to always consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Your health is unique, and professional guidance ensures that you're making the best choices for your individual needs.